From ActionableOps, here's how to let Hermes read your email and reply, just by sending a message to its inbox. No app, no bot API. This is the email gateway adapter, and it uses plain email. Hermes speaks IMAP and SMTP, so it works with Gmail, Outlook, Fastmail, anything standard. It pulls a dedicated inbox for new mail, reads each message, and replies right in the thread, all on Python's built-in modules, nothing to install. One thing to keep straight, this is different from the Himalaya email skill, which is for the agent to manage a mailbox from the terminal and needs the Himalaya CLI. 2 rules before you start. Use a dedicated account, never your personal one, because Hermes holds the password and has full inbox access. And if your provider uses 2-factor, you need an app password, not your login. On Gmail, turn on 2-factor, open the app passwords page, and copy the 16-character code. Configure it. Run Hermes Gateway Setup and pick Email. It asks for the address, that app password, your IMAP and SMTP hosts, and the senders you allow. For Gmail, that's imap.gmail.com and smtp.gmail.com. Ports default to 993 and 587, so you usually leave them alone. Start the gateway. On launch, it tests both connections, marks everything already in the inbox as seen, so it only handles new mail, then polls every 15 seconds. Send it an email and you get a reply back in a few seconds. Replies thread properly. Hermes sets the in reply to headers and keeps the re prefix without stacking it, so its answer lands in the same conversation, not a new one. To you, it just looks like the person you emailed wrote back. Attachments work both ways. Images you send become available to the Vision tool. PDFs and other documents become readable files, and HTML only, mail is stripped to clean text. Hermes can attach files to its replies too, with a media tag. Lock it down. Set email allowed users to the addresses you trust, or anyone who learns the address can send the agent commands, and remember it has terminal access. Hermes also drops the junk on its own. No reply addresses, mailer daemons, and bulk list mail are ignored, so it never loops. That's Hermes on email, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.